These mechanical toy videos can be made with mobile phone and created 100% free, but these are trending right now and creators are making thousands of dollars just by posting this kind of videos. Look at this page, 409,000 followers gained by uploading similar videos, and each videos are getting millions of views. And the crazy part, these videos are being created with completely free AI tools in under 3 minutes. I am going to show you the full step-by-step process so you can start creating from today. At first, you need to log in to your ChatGPT account. After login, click on Explore GPTs at left menu. In the search bar, type Transformer AI Text Review and click on the first result that appears. I will give this link in description. You can click on my link and come directly here. You will then just click on Start Chat button. I made this Transformers AI GPT for you, so make sure to subscribe my channel. Click on Start button and AI will automatically suggest 10 ideas for mechanical toy videos. You can pick anyone from this. I am taking Scorpion. Copy the idea, paste it to prompt box and submit. AI will automatically make 2 image prompt and a video prompt instantly. Our ready-to-copy-paste prompts are ready. Now firstly copy image 1 prompt and come to Google Flow AI. I will also give this link in description. Click on New Project button. In prompt box paste that copied text. And here we will first make images and then create video from that images. So select image, then 9:16 aspect ratio, x2, then nano banana 2, and then submit. AI will start generating our first image. It may take up to a minute to be generated. Our first image is ready. For easy use, I am splitting my screen. Click right button on ChatGPT tab and select New Split View with Current tab button. You will see this view. Now from ChatGPT, I am copying second image prompt and come back to Flow and paste that prompt. This time for second image, we have to add our first image here so that the second generation will be similar and consistent. And then submit. Wait for a few seconds. Our second image is ready. Now come back to ChatGPT and copy video prompt. Paste prompt in this box and now select video, keep it frames, then aspect ratio 9:16, then x2, VO 3.1 fast. Then come to here and select Start Frame Image and fix that our first image as first frame and second image as end frame. Do it carefully. And finally submit and wait. Within few minutes, you will see your video is ready. In the meantime, if you have any confusion, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. When video is generating, let's check to make next one for your better understanding. Before that, if this video helps you, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. This time I select crab, and here is our prompts are ready. We will doing similar thing link like before, copy first image prompt and paste it into Flow box, select image and other settings as it is, and submit. Oh, our first video is ready here. Let's check. This is insane. So satisfying. Let's check second generation. This generation was also satisfying. Our crab's Transformer toy's first image is ready. So coming to copy from ChatGPT and pasting it in Flowbox, add that first frame image and submit. And after last frame image generation completed, copy video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it to Flowbox and select video, then frames, then aspect ratio 9:16, x2, and then select first image as start frame and second image as end frame. Finally, submit for generating. Wait for a few minutes and our video will be ready. Actually, this is so simple, just copy and paste. Anyone can do without any efforts. That is the complete step-by-step process for creating viral mechanical Transformer toy videos in under 3 minutes using completely free AI tools. As we've seen, this specific style of content is currently trending, with the potential to reach millions of views and help you gain hundreds of thousands of followers, just like the top creators in this niche. This second generated video was also incredible. So, why you are waiting for? Start using my Transformer AI Mechanical Toy Generator GPT to instantly generate viral concepts and Google Flow to ensure professional, consistent visual styles between your scenes. You can produce ultra-realistic and satisfying videos that stop people mid-scroll. The tools are ready and the process is simple. All you have to do is start. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next regular tutorial on how to leverage the latest AI trends. You will be able to download your video from this download button and compile all of that clips into a one video with Clipchamp Video Editor, and then publish it to your channel and start to see the result, as well as earning money online. Good luck! Thank you for watching. I also recommend you to watch this video to make hydraulic press AI videos free and unlimited.